There are many, many ways of taking a product and by giving it a twist, turning it into a moneymaker. For example, what do we have here? We have a little set of balloons. Would you believe that I made over $1 million taking this package of balloons and giving it a little twist? When I came out of the Army after World War II, I bought a package of these balloons, made little bubbles out of them, which we cut in two. Then you take one of our standard balloons, blow it up to its full length, give it a little twist, twist one of the little balloons, and you have the beginning of a product. Give it another little twist, and twist one of the other balloons, and your product is starting to take shape. Twist the last part of the balloon, and I've made a little animal. Now, we didn't sell 14 balloons for $1. We sold 5 giant animals for $1. Our commercials on radio, there was not television at that time, were so incredible that people packaging our balloons didn't recognize the product. And many times we got orders from the people in our packing department to send to 5 animals. One woman sent us a letter to be sure and sent it at 2 o'clock in the afternoon so her husband could help the Railway Express man bring him into the house. But the point I want to bring out, and I want to make it very clear to all of you, is that sometimes by taking an ordinary item and giving it a little twist, you end up with a proprietary item.